you seen the title in the thumbnail. You know what we doing. We got shrimp on the menu, but we're gonna bake them today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a baked shrimp scampi. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our shrimp. We have some plain breadcrumbs here, some melted butter, fresh chopped parsley, Creole seasoning, grated Parmesan, some white wine, olive oil, onions, chopped garlic, more Creole seasoning, red chili flakes, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some dried parsley. So that's all we're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna take some of our olive oil and drizzle it over here, about 1.5 teaspoons. We're gonna take our Creole seasoning, add it, and we're just gonna get this baby mixed up. Just like that. All right, let's move on. All right, guys, I wasn't recording, so I already added 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and I just added our onions. We're gonna cook this over a medium-low heat for a couple of minutes. After about 1.5 minutes, we're gonna come behind that with our garlic, and we're gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. All right, so after about those 2 minutes, you wanna go in with the remaining of your ingredients. We're gonna go in with our chili flakes, our Creole seasoning, got oregano, parsley, lemon juice, our garlic Parmesan, our Parmesan cheese, and our breadcrumbs. And we're just gonna get this mixed in like this. And we're gonna go in with half our wine. All right, we're gonna turn our heat off. Now that it's mixed well, let's head over to our cutting board so we can start placing our shrimp in our baking dish. All right, so we're gonna start adding our shrimp to our baking dish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of our butter and I'm just gonna brush the bottom of our baking dish down with a little butter. All right, now we're gonna start adding our shrimp. All right, so now that we have our shrimp in our baking dish, we're gonna take the remainder of our melted butter. We're gonna add it right here in the center. Some in the center, the rest of it around our shrimp like that. We're gonna take some of that, we're gonna take the remainder of our wine, same thing, add some here in the center and around our shrimp like this. Just like that. Next, we're gonna take our breadcrumbs and we're just gonna start sprinkling them over our shrimp just like this. Now guys, you may or may not use all your breadcrumbs. It's totally up to you how much of it you want to use. But with 2 pounds of shrimp, it's more than enough. All right, guys, it looks like we're good. So I already preheated our oven to 425 degrees. Guys, this is what we have after about 11 minutes in the oven. Take a look at that. Ooh, man. So let's go ahead and get this baby plated up and jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Baked shrimp scampi. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control and do a taste test. Yeah, we back in here, quality control. Man, guys, look at these baked shrimp scampi. Man, come on. Y'all already know what these babies like. Man, let me, hey, look at this, man. Look at that. Oh, man. Y'all won't see inside with that. Oh, man. Whew. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. Oh. Oh, baby. Listen, this is a great appetizer. The flavor is there. Man, I can't even stop eating these little bad baby. Listen, you cook this at a gathering, family day, game day, any day. It's gonna always be appropriate. So until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.